For 1983, GMC has a full line of hard-working vans with models to handle almost any kind of cargo hauling need. First, our very popular Vandura with its new grille and headlamp treatment, with new easier opening sliding side door and a 110-inch or 125-inch wheelbase with interior space to handle 296 cubic feet of cargo on the long wheelbase models. Next, our big Magna van with up to 570 cubic feet of lockable cargo space with a 125-inch wheelbase and a 10-foot steel or aluminum body, or a 146-inch wheelbase with a 12-foot body. And finally, our versatile value van with up to 890 cubic feet of cargo space, 125-inch wheelbase with a 10.5-foot body, 133-inch with a 12.5-foot body, 157-inch with a 14.5-foot body, or a 178-inch with an 18-foot body. An impressive multi-stop delivery van with walk-through convenience from the driver's compartment to the cargo area. And both Magna van and Value van are available with aluminum or steel bodies. But the big news for 1983 is that the 6.2-liter diesel engine is now available for the first time in Vandura, Magna van, and Value vans to provide a combination of tough truck performance with impressive fuel economy for today's needs. There are a lot of other important features you should know about GMC vans. Like the power to do the job with efficiency and impressive fuel economy. Like the utility and toughness features that give GMC vans the ability to do their job day in, day out, and still have plenty of value at trade-in. And like the comfort and convenience features that help make a GMC van pleasant to work in all day long. These subjects are titles of short programs that will provide you with more information about GMC vans. When the numbers come up on the screen, punch up the subject that interests you most. GMC has always offered a wide choice of hard-working power teams in their vans. Now GMC is offering diesel power for vans, a high-performance, fuel-efficient diesel engine, as in our CK pickups, Jimmy, and Suburban, now available in vans. The 6.2-liter diesel is designed from the ground up to be a tough truck engine. Available in G2500 and G3500 series, this is an important engine addition, ideal for commercial operators who need truck performance and impressive fuel economy. Especially useful for jobs like city delivery, courier and messenger services that demand constant stop-and-go driving, because the 6.2 diesel idles efficiently, generally using about half the fuel of a comparable gas engine at idle. But this tough truck diesel is also designed to do heavy work, even when fully loaded to its maximum GVWR of 8,600 pounds. The low RPM, high torque design of the 6.2-liter diesel is what gets this heavy load started and up this ramp with ease. For those who need this kind of application for their GMC vans, the 6.2 diesel is a great engine choice. But the 6.2 is also useful in providing sustained power at high RPM for short-haul, over-the-road jobs day after day. The 6.2-liter diesel-equipped van also has an impressive trailering capacity of 7,000 pounds. And of course, diesel engine efficiency is as important as performance. Since a diesel engine is fired by the heat of compression, the 6.2 has no spark plugs or ignition wires to replace, no coil or distributor, and no carburetor to adjust. The recommended change interval for oil and oil filter is every 5,000 miles. But not every van operation needs diesel power. That's why GMC also offers this wide range of gasoline engines, starting with a 4.1-liter 6. The 4.8-liter 6 is standard on the value van. The optional 5.0-liter V8 with ESC is a high-compression engine with impressive performance and acceleration. And for heavy payload applications and trailer towing up to 7,000 pounds, The 5.7-liter V8 is available. To complement the performance and economy of GMC van engines, GMC offers 3 transmission choices: a 3-speed manual, an optional 4-speed manual with overdrive, and an optional 4-speed automatic with overdrive that features a torque converter clutch to aid fuel economy. Here's how the torque converter clutch works. When a GMC van's automatic transmission reaches a predetermined road speed, the clutch engages to form a direct mechanical link with the engine, reducing engine RPM and fuel-wasting slippage. To effectively match engines and transmissions to the job with impressive fuel-efficient performance, GMC offers 6 rear axle ratios. GMC has always offered a wide choice of hard-working power teams in GMC vans to do the job at hand. For 1983, the choice is even better. There's the availability of the 6.2-liter diesel, also 2 new overdrive transmissions, an optional 4-speed manual, and an optional 4-speed automatic to offer impressive performance and impressive fuel economy. GMC vans are aerodynamically styled to reduce wind resistance, are easy to maneuver and comfortable to ride in. But most of all, GMC vans are designed for utility and toughness. There are 3 series of GMC cargo vans to handle various load-carrying needs. The G1500 can handle payloads up to 2,249 pounds. The G2500 series can carry heavier payloads, up to 2,836 pounds. The G3500 series has higher rated front and rear suspensions with larger tires for much heavier payloads, up to 4,091 pounds. And there are 2 wheelbases to handle various space requirements. The 110-inch wheelbase Vandura has an interior capacity of 246 cubic feet of cargo space. The 125-inch wheelbase Vandura has 296 cubic feet of space. Vandura has a maximum load length of 174 inches, more than any other non-GM comparable van. Yet it has a tight wall-to-wall turning radius for good maneuverability. Side and rear door openings are larger than Ford or Dodge to conveniently handle large items and help make jobs faster and easier. Effective side door openings are 49.2 inches high and 44.2 inches wide, and the rear opening is 48.8 inches high and 54.4 inches wide. To assist in loading and unloading, rear doors open a full 180 degrees so the van can back up close to the dock. Engineers designed the space, the load-carrying capacity, the work-saving conveniences, as well as the structural integrity and manufacturing processes that make this van a truly tough truck. To help protect Vandura from rust, extensive anti-corrosion treatments are used, including the use of galvanized steel in inner and outer rocker panels, rear door outer panels, in wheel housings and grille panels. Zinchrometal, a steel with zinc primer baked on its surface, is used in the outer panels of the front and side doors and for the van body side panels. To help fight rust, zinc-plated steel is used in the highly vulnerable areas of front and rear door hinges. To demonstrate how effective Zinchrometal is fighting corrosion, both of these unpainted steel pieces have been exposed to salt spray for 6 days. The untreated panel is already beginning to rust. Not the Zinchrometal panel. And before painting, all Vandura bodies are fully submerged in an electrically charged primer bath, literally electroplated inside and out with rust-inhibiting primer. New for this year, lower body side panels are sprayed with a special plastisol coating that helps protect against minor stone pecking. Then Vanduras are given 2 coats of baked-on enamel. To give a final treatment to seams, crevices, and undersurfaces, a tar-based undercoating is applied inside wheel housings, and windows are sealed with special rubber gaskets and weather stripping. Aluminum wax preservative is sprayed into lower door spaces and lower body side inner panel surfaces. It's the right of every Vandura owner to expect quality performance from his van in all kinds of weather, on all kinds of roads, for all kinds of work. And that's why GMC vans are built with so many tough truck features. Vandura is a tough truck made to do a full day's work. But it's also designed and built to give driver, passenger, and cargo a soft, comfortable ride. Vandura's independent front suspension is designed to help take up road shock. The massive girder beam provides the support and strength. The springs are specially beefed up for diesel applications. The upper and lower control arms guide the up and down movement of each front wheel so they can independently absorb road shock without transferring the force to the other wheel. Friction-free coil springs are computer matched to the individual GVWR of each Vandura to give proper spring action. Also computer selected are two-stage multi-leaf rear springs, which adjust automatically to varying load and road conditions. With light cargo or smooth road conditions, the longer, more flexible springs come into play for a soft, unjarring ride. With heavier cargo or rough road conditions, the shorter, less flexible lower springs are added to the action to give firmer support and still a smooth ride. Vanduras are made to run all day and designed for driver comfort during the long workday. Seating comfort is an important part of GMC's human engineering design program. The back angle, leg angle, and arm angle to the steering wheel are carefully calculated to help provide driving comfort. Vandura's seating position and large windshield design provide an impressive panoramic view of the roadway ahead. For driver comfort, instruments are well placed and have large numerals that are easy to see and understand at a glance. Switches are easily reached from a comfortable driving position. With Vandura's column-mounted smart switch, the driver can control the turn signals, the high-low headlamp beam, the new wet arm windshield wiper and demand washer system, and the optional automatic speed control without leaning or reaching. GMC offers many convenient options too, options that will help make owning and driving a Vandura that much more of a pleasure. 1983 GMC vans, built tough to work hard and designed with the ride, comfort, and convenience to help make that work easier.
Moving a lot of people for less cost is what the GMC Rally is all about. It's a practical way to move up to 12 people comfortably and economically. And there is plenty of room for whatever else has to come along. The big news for GMC Rally is the availability for the first time of diesel power, the 6.2-liter engine. A diesel truck engine designed and built fuel efficient, and yet powerful enough to handle big people moving jobs, like van pooling. Quiet idling, twice as efficient as a gas engine at idle. Or choose from a full range of gasoline engines. Whatever your power or economy needs, Rally has the right engine for you. Transmission choice is just as complete. In addition to the standard 3-speed manual transmission, a 4-speed manual with overdrive is available. A 3-speed automatic is available in California only. A 4-speed automatic with overdrive is available in other states, depending on engine choice. Overdrive transmissions permit an engine to run at reduced RPM during highway speeds to aid fuel efficiency. Rally is available in 3 series, G1500, G2500, and G3500 to match your specific people and cargo moving needs. Rally is available in 3 trim levels, the Standard Rally, the Custom Rally, and the top-of-the-line Rally STX. Cutaways are also available for customized RV body applications. The Rally STX is the top of the line. On the outside, the Rally STX trim includes distinctive touches, like new chrome grille and new headlamp bezels. Bright side, rear, and wheel opening moldings, and bright tail lamp trim. Interior comfort is one reason why Rally STX is so appealing as a ride pool vehicle. From top to bottom, full-color keyed headliner to floor and wheel housing carpeting. Even a multi-function smart switch, which places headlamp dimmer, turn signal, and windshield washer wiper control within reach of your fingertips. There's room for plenty of luggage behind the rear seat. Depending on the model and available seating, Rally wagons have seating capacity for 5, 8, and 12 passengers. Convenient doorsteps provide easy entrance for passengers. While inside, there's plenty of head, leg, and shoulder room. And Rally's popular options can make travel even more comfortable and convenient. For example, a 6-position tilt steering wheel, along with power steering, power brakes, power windows and deep tinted glass, and air conditioning, available for the front as well as for the rear passengers. Another convenience option is power door locks. At the flip of a switch, all 5 doors lock. Automatic speed control with resume feature is a convenience option that provides an easy way to maintain a constant speed. A wide choice of radio options lets you tailor your own sound system. Rally's aerodynamic styling cuts down on wind resistance, while high-pressure radial tires and low-drag disc brakes offer low rolling resistance, adding to fuel efficiency. GMC's independent front suspension with computer-matched coil springs and upper and lower control arms smooths out the bumps. 2-stage multi-leaf rear springs adjust automatically to light or heavy loads. To help save on servicing costs, Rally has been designed to make it easy for a technician to check up to 27 maintenance items from under the hood. Add it all up, the 6.2-liter diesel engine, coupled to an optional 4-speed manual or 4-speed automatic with overdrive transmission, with the optional 33-gallon fuel tank, and it should be a long time between fill-ups. GMC Rally 483, with available seating for up to 12 people, optional diesel power, and an optional folding rear bed, makes Rally a revelation in moving a lot of people in a cost-efficient way.